What is good, guys, and welcome to Wet Matsuri. Today it's forecast to be storming and raining all day, but we're still out here having fun. I'm actually learning a lot because it's wet driving, and I haven't really had much experience in that, so I'm really excited about just learning. And from the few laps that I've already done, it seems like minimum input is key to get the car to do what you want. Anyways, we're second in line, and we'll go out and see how we go.
Again. Not too much. Not too much.
It's like ice skating on the track right now. Oh, that part of the track is so slippery. I need an e-brake to... Wow, it's so slippery through that middle section. It doesn't get much Australian than this. Sausage rolls, tomato sauce, and a V8 Sora shredding it on the skid pan. One UZ Unlimited sound awesome. So, I'm not sure if you can see this, but this is the line you have to put up with here at Matsuri. It's okay because you get seat time, but it does get old very quickly. And yeah, I just wish I was out there driving, I guess. And it still keeps going. Welcome to Queensland Matsuri. Definitely nothing like back home. So we're still in line, and one of the best things about these lines at Matsuri here in Queensland is they give you a bit of time to tighten the bolts on your steering wheel so that your wheel doesn't come off while you're mid-drift. If you don't know what type of car this is, for all my American subscribers, this is an R31 Skyline. They came stock with an RB30, and these are the blocks that you guys want in the States for making your 25, 26, 30 3-litre RBs. Really sought after motors, and they sound like that. Losing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change the RPM limit on this. It's only at 6,900. I need it 7,500. So I'm gonna go in, change my rev limit on the Link ECU so I can get a little bit more power in the top end. And then I'll just keep playing with my technique to get that third gear. That's my only issue right now, is I just need third gear because this car just grips up like something chronic. It's gripping like crazy, and for its power level, it's just not enough. I need skinnier tires. I feel like I'm running like a NAS 13 or something. She's acting so much better now. If I get some heat in these tires, I reckon I can start doing third gearies. Definitely before the next Matsuri I do in this car, Mumba turbo upgrade, injectors, forward facing plenum, high mount turbo, it just has to happen. I got the ECU for it now. I'd be crazy if I didn't do it. I can't wait to get back to Japan. Like every time I get in the seat and drive, I just have this crazy excitement inside me bubble up that I just want to keep driving. I just want to keep driving. I want to get better and better and better. Man, it's crazy. It's good. It's a good feeling to have though, because it means the dream is alive and it's healthy and it's going well. When you get that feeling every time you jump in the seat or whenever you smell burning rubber and it gets you excited and wants you to just get in the seat and drive no matter what it is, that's a good thing. It's a good thing. Because I think when it comes to competition, you need to have two things: skill, but mainly a good attitude and an excitement to like follow that career and that kind of lifestyle, if you know what I mean. Those main two things. If you don't, well, really it's three things, because really the first thing needs to be is you need to be passionate about it. The second thing is you need to have a good attitude. Actually, I'd switch that around. Good attitude first, passionate and living the dream, and then third comes skill, because if you have these two things, skill will come naturally. All right, anyways, time for a K-on brake and line again with aircon. So I'm a little bit tired and a little bit over driving right now, and I figured we'd do a bit of a pits walk and get some food. But before we do, 10 points to the first person in the comment section that can tell me what this number plate means. Oppai. So this is something you don't see every day here in Australia. Now I don't know if this is a copy or is the real deal, but if this is a real DR30, I'm in love. It's definitely got the right front on it. Don't see an intercooler. Oh, this is cool. Oh, he's even got the interior switched out. Oh, the Jap plate there as well. Man, I don't know whose this is, but that's cool. Okay, so it's turned back into wet Matsuri, obviously. The weather is definitely been better. But we're gonna do a quick pit walk through this part of the pits that are undercover because I just don't want to get drenched. And see what's kind of here. This guy was out on track and I was like wondering what he was running in there, because these Altezas generally have like a 3-beam, like a beams motor, a 3S GTE, but he's obviously LS swapped it, which is super awesome. Moving on here, we got a JZX90. These things look great. Let's have a quick look at the engine bay. Yeah, nice. Just what we like to see. It's running Hypertune intake manifold. Nice big precision turbo. Nice. We got K-Mac Arrows car. These guys are awesome. They've actually sponsored a body kit for the 180SX. Bunch of rad guys. RB25, top mount turbo, Taka Garage intake plenum. Yeah. Then through over here, we've got a nice 33. Hey, represent. This car is super cool. So this is a K70 Corolla. This is what they are. And it's super common here in Australia that we put ridiculously overpowered motors in these things. So he's done it up like a kind of like an Australian police car. He's even got the lights. But what I love the most is his dashboard and how it's like Super Mario themed. And then obviously he's got an LS in there. So he's got his oil cooler there with a fan and everything. This thing just shreds. And obviously keeping his intake air temps down with that at the top. Just sucks because you can't obviously run that when it's pissing down with rain. Drive shaft, CV. Man, look, the weather and the things you got to do just so you can work on your own car.
We gotta show you what actually happened to the shaft.
Where is it? What, is this one piece of it?
He's getting it. Yeah, that's what some of it is.
That's some of it?
Wait till it.
What?
I was in the queue and I was like, I'm gonna do a foot on.
What is it? What's your drivetrain on this, SR?
I'll show you, bro. I'll pop the hood.
That is ridiculous. Sorry. I've never seen one blow out like that. So what power are you running in this?
Like 260.
260 at the wheel.
Yeah.
And you pop the shaft open like as if you had an LS.
No way. That is
super clean Zenki S14. These are my favorite. I literally think these are like the cutest out of all the S chassis, other than the 180 pop-up lights. This thing, when it's on full noise, is so loud. This is a Sora. It's got a 1UZ V8 in there, Toyota. Moving on over here, this is some Australia engineering, I guess you could call it. A Commodore Ute. Is it a Ute? I can't even tell. Yep, Commodore Ute running a turbo LS. Super cool. Check him out on Instagram and Facebook, Gremlin Drift. Rad setup. All right, guys, I'm here with Hurt from Hoonigan. So good to see you out here.
Happy to be here, man. Never expected to be in Australia.
Yeah.
Everyone here is so nice. All the cars are so cool. Weather kind of sucks today, but
Yeah.
that doesn't even matter because when you're around as many nice people as I'm around, everything's good.
Yeah, yeah. Overall, though, what do you think of the event in Matsuri here?
This is a great event. I mean, you just listen to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you hear that?
Yeah.
You're good if you hear that.
Awesome.
Yeah, yeah.
And just one more thing. Do you mind wrapping out my video for me?
That's all right.